Hello everyone, this is my presentation for use case 2. My team is Freddie, myself, Mark, Sophie, and Savannah, and we are team 3. So the first thing that we will cover is the key business initiatives for this project. And our team is Coca-Cola. So the key business initiatives for the next 9 to 12 months for Coca-Cola, we decided it would be good for a profitable growth and customer value. This could be business-to-business platforms that drive industry-leading experience. This could also increase or include global brand campaigns. So for example, Coke Studio, or spotlights that break through talent on a global stage. Or the third one we decided that would be a good idea would be a world without waste. This would be eliminating waste and reducing carbon emissions through the continual use of existing valuable resources and including high quality recycled PET. And so these are the 3 initiatives for the next year or so that we found valuable for Coca-Cola's company. The second thing that I will be covering is key business entities. So key business entities focusing with Coca-Cola. And so the first one we decided is analyzing target audience in different countries to tailor global brand campaigns. And so this could include any country around the world, but targeting the campaign to that particular audience in that country. Then the second entity would be to analyze perceptions of local branding campaigns. So this could be in the US, this could be around the world, in any country as well, but looking at more of a local level perception of Coca-Cola. And then the third entity would be understanding the effects of local brand campaigns. And this would be affecting local stores and vending machine sales. So we have grocery stores, we have gas stations around the world, and then we also have vending machines, and just being able to understand the effects of the campaigns at a local level for those particular entities. And then the fourth entity we discussed would be presenting global campaigns through a multitude of multitude of media channels and test effectiveness. So at a global level, the campaigns that are Coca-Cola would be using through these media channels, and then also testing how effective this would be. So the third idea that we would like to talk about is the key decisions we have to make for Coca-Cola. And so the key decisions we have to make are the targeted business initiative that we decided is capitalizing on the global expansion of Coke Studio. So the first question we would probably need to decide is what countries should we expand into that our strategy is going to be successful. So Coca-Cola is a very global company, and we would need to understand which countries is more receptive to Coca-Cola, which ones is more profitable, and which one would like our brand. And then the second decision we would need to make is where is Coke Studio successful now, and would that lead us to choosing a country similar or different to the one we're already in? And so if it's working already, do we want to pick almost the exact same thing, or do we want to pick one that might be more effective but also slightly different? And the third decision we need to make is would hosting a music festival sponsored by Coke Studio be relevant to our target demographic? And so depending on what country we're operating in, this could be Spanish, this could be English, Asian, Indian, it could be any type of culture that Coke Studio would be sponsoring, and the target demographic is what we would be looking at. The fourth decision we would need to make is partnering with 4 celebrities a month to make appearances on Coke Studio around the globe to appeal to different cultural demographics and age groups. So this could be, for example, Bad Bunny with Spanish culture, or this could be any English style, or K-pop for Korean. And just partnering with these celebrities would really bring a face to the Coke brand and Coke studio around the globe to really get that globalization that we're trying to go for. And then the fifth decision would be expanding the Coke Studio entertainment and fan base onto YouTube so that it's easily accessible around the globe. So we won't have a branch of Coca-Cola in every single country, in every single culture, but with the help of YouTube, anybody with a technological device and the access to YouTube would be able to see the initiatives and decisions and the campaign that we are trying to make. And so the fourth thing for this exercise is common use cases. And so we created two clusters, and these clusters have been grouped into two. And so the first one includes what countries should we expand into that our strategy is going to be successful. The second is where is Coke Studio similar or successful now, and then should we choose a country similar or different to the one we're already in. And then the third one that we found relevant in this cluster was expanding the Coke Studio entertainment and fan base onto YouTube so that it is easily accessible around the globe. And then the second cluster that we found important but a little bit different than the first cluster was, would hosting a music festival sponsored by Coke Studio be relevant to our target demographic? And then also partnering with the celebrities, as I mentioned before, around the globe to appeal to different cultural demographics and age groups. And with this, these are our initiatives, entities, and campaign and mission that we're trying to go for with Coke Studio. And I hope to see everyone in class and talk about this soon. Thank you.